Hold on, if your apartment feels crowded, messy, or smaller than it should, this is the video you need right now. I found some seriously smart Amazon space-saving products designed to open up your room, clear the clutter, and make everyday living way easier. We're talking foldable furniture, hidden storage upgrades, wall-mounted solutions, and clever finds that instantly make small spaces feel bigger and more organized. Some of these are ridiculously smart for the price. Stay with me because the best transformations are still coming. Every must-see find is linked right below in the description. Starting strong with one of the smartest small space upgrades here, this wall-mounted folding table gives you a desk, laundry shelf, workspace, or dining surface exactly when you need it, then folds flat against the wall when you're done. That means valuable floor space stays open in tiny apartments, laundry rooms, or compact bedrooms. Heavy-duty brackets keep it sturdy for laptops, meals, or folding clothes. It's one of those products that instantly makes a room feel more functional without adding clutter, usually priced around $60 to $120. Rolling into a practical must-have, this folding room chair gives you extra seating for guests, meetings, office spaces, or quick everyday use without permanently taking up room. When not needed, it folds slim for easy storage behind doors, inside closets, or against walls. Perfect for apartments where every chair needs to earn its place. The sturdy frame and supportive seat make it feel better than cheap temporary seating. Great to keep ready for visitors without sacrificing precious floor space daily, usually priced around $30 to $70. Heading forward, this foldable clothes drying rack makes indoor air drying simple without bulky permanent racks crowding your room. It opens quickly for shirts, towels, delicates, or workout gear, then collapses down for compact storage after use. Perfect for renters, rainy weather, or homes without large laundry areas. Instead of draping clothes over furniture, everything dries cleaner and more organized. A practical, everyday solution that saves space and frustration fast. Usually priced around $35 to $70. Now sliding into a smart essential, this massage table cover protector adds waterproof and oil-proof protection to spa beds, lash beds, treatment tables, or guest setups while keeping surfaces cleaner and easier to maintain. It's fitted for a secure look instead of loose covers sliding around constantly. Great for home businesses, beauty rooms, or wellness spaces inside apartments where cleanliness matters. The washable material helps extend furniture life while keeping everything more professional looking. Smart protection with real value, usually priced around $20 to $40. Moving into one of the biggest space-saving upgrades here, this fold sofa bed works as a chair, lounge seat, or guest bed in one compact design. Perfect for studio apartments, dorms, or small living rooms where separate furniture pieces eat too much space. Fold it out when guests stay over, then return it to couch mode in seconds. Included pillow adds comfort while the washable cover keeps maintenance easy. Multi-use furniture always wins in tight spaces, usually priced around $100 to $200. Now flowing into a hidden storage hero, this bedside caddy hangs neatly on bed rails, bunk beds, dorm frames, or hospital-style beds to keep essentials right beside you without needing extra furniture. Store phones, remotes, chargers, books, glasses, tablets, or snacks within easy reach. Perfect for tiny bedrooms where nightstands take up too much room. It helps keep surfaces cleaner while making bedtime routines more convenient. One of those low-cost products that solves daily annoyances instantly, usually priced around $15 to $30. Stepping into a premium room upgrade, this low-profile ceiling fan combines modern lighting, bladeless airflow styling, and remote-controlled convenience in one sleek ceiling fixture. Perfect for apartments with lower ceilings where bulky fans feel intrusive. It saves overhead space while improving comfort, lighting, and room aesthetics all at once. Dimmable LED lighting helps set the mood while quiet airflow keeps bedrooms or living rooms comfortable. A smart alternative to separate fans and lights cluttering the room, usually priced around $90 to $180. Gliding into one of the most satisfying comfort upgrades, this bamboo couch cup holder tray turns your sofa armrest into a mini side table for drinks, remotes, phones, snacks, or glasses. Perfect for small apartments where there's no room for extra side tables beside every seat. The anti-slip design helps prevent spills while keeping essentials within reach during movie nights or relaxing evenings. Natural bamboo also adds a cleaner premium look compared with plastic accessories, usually priced around $20 to $40. Coming up with serious organization power, these clear stackable storage bins with lids help turn messy closets, laundry rooms, shelves, or bedrooms into neat, usable storage zones fast. Transparent sides let you see contents instantly, saving time searching through random boxes. Stackable design builds upward instead of outward, which is exactly what tiny homes need most. Great for clothes, cleaning supplies, toys, pantry goods, or seasonal items. Clean look, smart function, and strong everyday usefulness combined. Usually priced around $30 to $70. Quick pause for a second. If one of these space-saving finds is exactly what you've been needing, every single product link is ready for you right below in the description. Moving on with a true small space weapon, this over-the-door organizer uses 5 large pockets to create instant storage on the back of bedroom, bathroom, nursery, or closet doors. That means unused vertical space suddenly holds shoes, toiletries, baby items, accessories, snacks, or cleaning supplies. Perfect for apartments where drawers and cabinets fill up fast. No drilling or major setup needed, so renters love it. One of the fastest ways to add storage immediately, usually priced around $20 to $40. Continuing on with a serious organization power, this 44-drawer small parts cabinet keeps screws, bolts, nails, electronics pieces, craft supplies, and random hardware neatly sorted instead of lost in messy boxes. Perfect for garages, workshops, hobby rooms, or apartment storage closets where every drawer needs purpose. The compact vertical design saves shelf space while giving fast access to tiny items when projects start. Stackable capability adds even more room later, a smart system that saves time and frustration constantly, usually priced around $30 to $60. Rolling into an everyday clutter fix, this expandable shoe rack helps organize sneakers, boots, sandals, and daily footwear without wasting hallway or closet space. Adjustable sizing lets it fit tight entryways, bedroom corners, garages, or narrow apartment closets with ease. Stackable design means you can build upward as your collection grows, instead of spreading shoes across the floor. Strong metal construction gives it a sturdier feel than flimsy plastic racks. Cleaner floors and faster mornings instantly, usually priced around $30 to $70. Sliding into a renter-friendly gem, this retractable clothesline mounts to the wall and extends only when needed for drying clothes, towels, or delicate laundry. When finished, it retracts neatly back into place so bathrooms, balconies, or laundry rooms stay clean and uncluttered. Perfect for apartments where permanent drying racks take too much room. Heavy-duty line supports daily use while keeping garments air-dried and energy efficient. A simple product with major space-saving value, usually priced around $25 to $50. Coming in with one of the smartest travel essentials here, this portable clothes steamer works as both a steamer and mini iron to remove wrinkles fast whether you're home, traveling, or living in a compact apartment. Fast heat up saves time before work or events, while the ceramic panel smooths fabric efficiently. Dual voltage support makes it ideal for trips abroad. Instead of bulky ironing setups, this keeps clothing sharp with minimal storage space needed, usually priced around $35 to $70. Stepping into a luxury level upgrade, this smart bidet toilet seat brings heated seating, warm water cleansing, air drying, and remote control convenience right into your bathroom. It instantly makes everyday routines feel cleaner, more comfortable, and far more premium. Perfect for apartments or homes wanting a modern upgrade without full remodeling. Heated features are especially appreciated during colder months, while built-in drying adds convenience. Once people switch to this, many never go back, usually priced around $200 to $500. Flowing into an easy bathroom upgrade, this self-adhesive towel bar adds towel storage, hooks, and cleaner organization without drilling holes into walls. Perfect for renters, apartments, and anyone wanting a quick install with no tools or damage. Mount it beside sinks, showers, or inside bathrooms where towel space is always limited. Strong adhesive backing keeps it secure while the clean finish upgrades the room instantly. Small product, daily usefulness, zero hassle installation, usually priced around $15 to $35. Gliding into stylish vertical storage, these floating bathroom shelves create extra room above toilets, sinks, or empty walls for makeup, perfume, skincare, decor, or daily essentials. Perfect for tiny bathrooms where counters stay crowded and cabinets are limited. Clear, modern styling keeps rooms looking open rather than bulky. Wall-mounted design uses unused vertical space to instantly improve storage without sacrificing floor area. Functional and decorative at the same time, which is always a win. Usually priced around $20 to $50. Moving into one of the smartest bathroom upgrades, this medicine cabinet mirror combines reflective front styling with hidden storage shelves behind it for toiletries, skincare, medicine, and grooming essentials. Perfect for small bathrooms where every inch matters. Instead of separate mirrors and bulky cabinets, you get both in one sleek wall-mounted unit. Adjustable shelves help fit taller bottles and different products easily. Clean aluminum construction gives it a premium modern look, usually priced around $100 to $250. Closing this lineup with a tiny cleaning hero, this mini foldable wet-dry mop is built for desktops, counters, glass, kitchen spills, bathroom corners, and other tight areas full-size mops can't reach properly. The squeeze design helps remove water fast while the foldable body stores easily in drawers or cabinets. Perfect for apartments where quick cleanup tools matter most. Great for daily messes without dragging out bulky equipment every time. Surprisingly useful and space smart, usually priced around $15 to $30. That's a wrap for this one. Clean space, smarter setup, and way better daily flow. That's the goal. If something stood out, all the links are waiting down in the description. Drop your favorite in the comments, hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one with more smart Amazon finds.